Biz hozirda New Yorkning markaziy parkidamiz va bolajonlarimizni shu yerga olib kelishni yaxshi ko'ramiz, chunki bu yerda ko'plab kinolar olingan, masalan, Uyda yolg'iz va qolaversa bolajonlar uchun juda ham yaxshi infratuzilma bu yerda bor. Lekin tasavvur qiling, mana shu yerga bolajonlaringizni olib kelgan paytingizda, agarda ular jarohat olishsa-chi, New Yorkning jarohat bo'yicha qonunchiligi bu borada nima deydi? Mana shu masalaga bugun biz aniqlik kiritamiz va ushbu mavzuda biz New Yorkning Gabriel Law kompaniyasining advokati Jay bilan suhbatlashamiz. Hello Jay.
Hi, Arbek.
How are you?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
I'm well. It's good to see you here.
Yeah, good to see you too.
So, very important topic for today.
Yeah.
So, let's say my child gets injured here as a result of someone else's negligence.
So that's a very good question. So lots of parents don't think about it until it's too late. So you may have a case, but when a child is involved in that type of accident, then the whole process changes a bit.
Like how?
So a child can't bring an action on their own, right? So a parent or guardian can bring an action on their behalf if they wanted to do so. When there is a settlement, the court should approve it to make sure that this is fair to child, right?
Right.
And also it is very important to keep in mind the time to make a claim differs because the injured party is a minor. So it is very, very important for you to contact a lawyer who are working within the personal injury field, and then seek help and then bring your case to the attorney so that they can evaluate your case properly.
Thank you.
Sure.
So, can the representative of Uzbek community have an appointment with you?
Of course, anytime, anywhere, if you call me, I will be there.
Thank you. Hurmatli New Yorkdagi ota-onalar, mana kerakli ma'lumotlarni bilib oldinglar va agarda xudo ko'rmasin farzandinglar birorta jarohat olishgan bo'lsa, ko'chada albatta Gabriel Law kompaniyasiga murojaat qilinglar. Chunki avvalambor barcha xizmatlar bepul va eng professional advokatlar sizlarga yordam beradi. Ikkinchidan, bu yerda har bir til bo'yicha maxsus tarjimonlar, qolaversa mutaxassislar bor. O'zbek tili, rus tili, qolaversa tojik tilida uni muammosi yo'q. Va shuning uchun ham albatta mana shu kompaniyaga murojaat qilinglar agarda shunday vaziyatga tushib qolsanglar. Kerakli telefon raqamlarini ushbu video tagida yozib qoldiraman. Ya'ni 212 780 90 90. Har ehtimolga qarshi mana shu telefonga qiling qo'ng'iroq va kerakli appointment qilib barcha muammolaringizni hal qiling. Eslatib o'taman. Agarda siz hurmatli New Yorkdagi vatandoshlarimiz jarohatni New York shahrida yoki New York shtatida olgan bo'lsangiz, Amerikani 50 ta shtati bor, har bir shtatning o'zini qonunchiligi bor. Demak, hozircha Gabriel Law kompaniyasi faqatgina shu yerda New Yorkning qonunchiligi bo'yicha ishlaydi xolos. Shuning uchun ham afsuski boshqa shtatlar bo'yicha yo'q. Shuning uchun agarda siz boshqa shtatda jarohat olgan bo'lsangiz, masalan, o'zbek hamjamiyatlari juda ham katta, Pensilvaniyada, qolaversa Ohioda, Floridada, Tennesseeda yoki Kaliforniyada, demak o'sha yerdagi jarohat bo'yicha advokatlarni topishingiz kerak. Lekin agarda jarohatni shu yerda New York shtati yoki New York shahrida olgan bo'lsangiz, demak bemalol Gabriel Law kompaniyasiga murojaat qilishingiz mumkin. Bu degani Mr. Otabek TV kanalida va Gabriel Law'da yaxshilik bilan ko'rishganda ko'rishguncha. Thank you Jay.
Thank you, Arbek.